Boom! Welcome back to the shed. Now, today's mission, and we do have one, pretty straightforward one, is to attach this Milwaukee. Yes, they're not Milwaukee, they're just plastic battery brackets to the car, so I can carry a couple of batteries around. So when we're out and about, we can actually put our tools to use, because I think that's important. So, we're going to attach this to the backboard in the car. It's going to be pretty straightforward. Screw it on, put a couple of screws above so it can't jump, and then screw these next to it, and then go get myself a 4-point plug, run it to the inverter, the spare socket on the inverter, screw it on the back. Happy days. Let's do that. Let's get it done. Let's get it going. We'll need a step ladder for this one. Let's roll on. Now we've got everything together. Screws bit, I need to work out the measurement of that, I guess. That's going to be important. So I'll get a little ruler and I'll run right back to you. Alright, so we'll start off by putting the charger on the wall so I can work out where I'm going to need that. So I need to get the measurement of the centres here. So it's going to be 100 mil. So 100 mil, 102 mil, which is going to be annoying, slightly over. 102 will be the perfect measurement, I think. Perfect, 102. So I'll put the first one in, and then we'll measure 102, bang the next one in, and happy days. Let's just get on to it. Yeah, I hope this works all right. One way to find out, eh? All right. Let's place this where it needs to be, eh? I'm thinking somewhere like that. It's pretty solid. And I need to be able to make it so this is actually going to be tight on it, so I'll test it to get my depth. Too loose, it's going to be tighter. That's better. So now I'll get the other one at 102, and we should be pretty close to being right, if I can see what I'm doing. I hate being blind. Getting old sucks. Just saying. Just like that. More vertical. And hopefully that'll connect on okay. There we go. First time. What a champion. Now that's solid, but it will bounce up. So I'm going to need a couple of screws. If I can, I'm going to stick them on the corner at the top. It's an anti-bounce device, so when you're going along corrugations, it won't jump up and fall off. Strictly just a vertical. It's solid. It's going nowhere. What do you reckon about that? That's pretty stylish. Now the batteries are going to hang, so they're going to hang like that. 1, 2. 1, 2, and then put a 4-point plug in the corner over here. And a 4-point plug because we still have some electrical stuff we want to use, appliances and stuff that we can't fit on the other side. I think this will be okay. Like that. They'll still be able to come off. Got to be able to lift them off, so I don't want them to like a boss. Oh, there's a hollow point there. Bugger. That might be better. It's on the piss, man. Watch what you're doing, dude. I'm not being very watchy, am I? There we go. So that will go like that. What do you reckon? That'll be pretty good, eh? And another one, come down below it, just like that, so that I can get them off and get them on. Off, on, off, because that comes down to there. There'll be enough room. Perfect amount of room. This is subject to change, of course, but I'm thinking I just need to have these tools accessible because I use them all the time. And if they're in the back here, a couple of spare batteries and a charger, and I've gone and had another one of those bloody bits. There's nothing behind there. Of course I have. Of course I have. Couldn't pay this. Couldn't pay to do it, eh? I'll go lower. Bugger it. Oh, there's one there too. If you remember rightly when I built this, I had all those holes all through it, and then the wife didn't like it, so I covered the holes over, and now it's coming back to bite me. Solid, 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 solid. Oh, there's one right there, and one right there, and there'll be another two down there. Nothing there. Sweet, right there will do. Hopefully. There. And there, hopefully that'll do. Hopefully I'll find solid wood here. Yep, I did. Hopefully on this one. Yep, I did, good. Perfect. And now that can hang batteries. There we go. So this is going to be, oh, that's flashing on me. Unlock that, that's going weird. What's going on here? Why do these cameras do such weird shit? Anyway, as you can see, that's going to be sitting like that. Now, let's wipe that lens because it looks filthy as. All right, so that's going to sit like that. Now, basically, we've got the charger which can't jump off, which is going to be good because I use these all the time, as I say. That's going to be sitting there, just as spares. I've got two spares. I'm going to put a 4-point plug there, going through the same hole as a battery feeder, going off to the other side of the inverter. So if I want to put things in here, I can. Such things like, I don't know, whatever you want to put in here. Like slushy machines. On a day where it's nice and hot, you want to put a slushy machine in, you can do that, because it can operate, right? So failing that, it's just going to be the Milwaukee stand, or charge stand, which I'm pretty happy with. I want to get this cord. That actually might be long enough to go straight through to the inverter without a problem. So I might be able to throw that over there, pin it up. Now I'll put it through the hole and then pin it to the wall so it looks pretty, I think. Because looking pretty is important too, right? That goes up on here. Doesn't come off. It's weird they don't have much clicky on there. But that's got the double charger too, because my other tool has a 12 volt. So 12 volt, what am I talking about? 18 volt little weird battery, so that'll be pretty sweet. But will it stay there? Let's test that, because I don't know. Actually, this tool just here is not one I thought I'd use very often, but I like it. Again, it's a, you know, clearly a Milwaukee, but so good. I've used it all the time, and it works real well. And you know what I said before about cleaning the lens? Well, actually my glasses are filthy, so let's get those cleaned up. All right, I can see you now, hello. So I want to see if this battery here will actually stay on there, or this is a flat charger for a bench. If it is, back to drawing board, different battery. Let's hope it works. Like a boss, look at that. So granted that may not stay there. If it was going to fall off, that may not stay there. Actually it might do. It's actually got a bit of a click on it. So that's pretty cool. So it does both, and that'll work pretty well. Happy days. We've got our chargers, we've got our thing installed, that's all good. The next phase I'm going to bring out and put on the 4-point plug, which I'm not going to bother doing that right now because I don't have it. I'm going to go buy it from Bunnings or from some electrical shop or something. But yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. As I said I would. We're working our way through, getting it done. Slowly but surely, the thing's coming together. And I'm enjoying it. So anyway, thanks peeps. If you enjoyed this very short, very non-productive video, give us a like, give us a subscribe, say hello, talk shit to me. Everyone does. Well, everyone should do. And we'll catch up with you on the next one. We'll keep on rolling through. Hopefully this diesel thing ends soon. I know everyone's talking about it. A lot of travellers are not travelling anymore because of the price of diesel or the inconsistency, although I haven't really seen many people not get it. It's just more costly. So seems okay at the moment. It's actually coming down in price, but we may very well still head off. We'll see how we go. Anyway, boys, girls and everyone else, enjoy yourselves, stay classy, peeps. Take it easy. Ciao.